In today's video, I'm going to teach you want to create a full professional song in minutes without recording, mixing, or producing. We're using Suno AI to go from idea to finished track, and I'll walk you through each part so you understand what's happening and why it works. Start by heading to Suno and signing into your account. This gives you access to the creation tools and lets you save and download your results. On the dashboard, click Create to open a new project. I recommend turning on custom mode right away. Custom mode gives you more control over the sound, which is key if you want the result to match a specific vision instead of something generic. Next, add your lyrics. This is optional, but it often leads to a stronger, more intentional song. You can paste your own lyrics or let Suno generate some for you. If you're writing them yourself, think in clear sections. Verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, bridge, and a final chorus. That structure helps the AI shape dynamics and pacing naturally. Short, singable lines and a consistent theme will also lead to cleaner melodies. Now, craft a strong style prompt. This is where you guide the sound. Include the genre you want, the overall mood, an optional tempo, the vocal type, male or female, and a production style. For example, upbeat pop, nostalgic mood, around 100 BPM, female airy vocals, polished modern production with bright synths and punchy drums. The clearer your description, the closer the AI will land to your taste. When you're ready, click Create and let Suno generate your track. You'll usually get one or two versions. Listen closely and pick the one that best captures the energy, vocal tone, and arrangement you're after. If neither is quite right, you can tweak your style prompt and try again. Small wording changes can make a big difference. If the song feels too short or you want a bigger finish, use Extend. Click Extend and add simple, focused instructions such as continue same melody and energy, bigger final chorus, no change in tempo. Keep the direction consistent so the extension blends seamlessly with what you already like. Then generate again and review the result. Once you're happy, it's time to export. Click Download and choose your format. MP3 is a lighter file great for sharing and quick listening. The Wave, when available, is higher quality and better for further editing or uploading to platforms that prefer lossless audio. That's it. You've taken an idea, shaped it with lyrics and a precise style prompt, generated vocals and production, extended the arrangement, and exported a finished track using Suno AI.